All right, we've gone ahead and repaired the spalls along this joint with the Cretefill spall repair product with sand. We're now going to take a dry diamond system with the vacuum and recut the joint. It's always necessary to make sure the joints are properly cleaned out and it's dry before we fill it with our joint filler. Many times out on a job site, you'll have a joint that is very, very deep, and the specifications don't call for the material, the joint filler, to be installed that deep. So in that case, we use a flexible backer rod. This backer rod is pushed down in the joint. It maintains the proper depth and also makes it much easier to fill that joint. We've gone ahead and made ourselves a backer rod installation tool. It has an adjustable wheel here that can go all the way from 2 inches back up to ½ an inch. So it's an adjustable wheel. These 4 wheels roll on the top. I'm going to show you how simple that is to install the backer rod. You just simply roll this back and forth. I'm going to go ahead and purge out a little bit of material, make sure it's on ratio. Turn that off. Back over here to our joint. Get started right here. I'm going to show you a double pass method. That's where we start filling, and we have not controlled the depth. So I'm going to go ahead and fill fast one run of the material, and that's going to seal off the bottom of the joint and help make a uniform depth. Then I'm going to come back and finish it. So I've gone ahead and shot that. Come back. This is a double pass method. Works very, very good on helping to control the amount of overfill. You have to slightly overfill the joint because we're going to come back later and shave it. So you got to be careful not to leave any what we call sinkers. We can speed the machine up faster and we can slow it down depending on how wide the joint is. All right, now we're going to show the final process. We've filled our joints, we're ready to shave it. Here's a nice tool that we manufacture. It makes it easy for the man to stand upright and shave the joint fill. We've gone ahead and curved this 4-inch section, so it's very important when you shave a joint to keep it as low as possible. And also, when you do a cut, you should cut at an angle. Remember, all this hard work that you've done is shown on how you shave the joint and the finished product. So, once I start shaving, it's pretty easy. You just keep it at an angle and you just push it forward, shaves it right off. Now, another suggestion is if you have a floor that's not been sealed, hasn't been densified, and it's wide open concrete floor, it's a good technique to take a bar of soap and rub it on both sides of the joint so that the joint filler does not seep down into the floor and make it difficult to shave. Let's go back over here. I'm going to show you how to shave this cross section right here. See that right there? You have to make sure that if you approach it from all 4 angles, bring it right up to it. Bring it close. Bring it close just like this. And then in order to make a nice clean cut, you come at it from an angle. Very important to make it look good.